That is Brasso, and it does a pretty good job of getting rid of some of the gunk. Look at the difference already. And it appears whoever had this computer before, which I believe was some school system, took out some screws and only put in the 4 corner screws. Let's see, to get there it is. Really not used to using these things for camera work, especially not used to doing it with one hand, especially not my proper hand. Very bad camera work because I'm looking at this thing directly and not through the iPad. All right, that's about 2 minutes worth of scrubbing. I'm going to toss that one out. Pull up a new one. Already this is looking immensely better. I mean, this thing was just a filthy mess. Unfortunately, the guy that I got this from gets his stuff from a recycling center of some kind, and they don't care about what they do to them. So a lot of them get pretty beat. All right, starting with a new sanitizing pad. Wipe, whatever. All right. I think I brought this back to probably the condition that it was in when it was delivered to the facility that it came from. And yeah, there's a little yellowing still. That will take more effort. I'm not going to worry about it right now. Now let's get some of this topside stuff. It should be just the same method. The Brasso does wonders on plastic, believe it or not. See these scratches? Say goodbye. I think that's the wrong side of the pad. You know what? Maybe I should start with a new one. I don't feel this really working. Come on. See? Wasn't kidding. Already kind of dirty. It's because this is a mild abrasive. It actually takes off a good layer of this plastic along with whatever gunk is on it. And afterward it can be buffed up a little bit and make it nice and shiny. The Apple logo is going to look real nice afterward without even really buffing it up. Different kind of plastic works nicely on that one too. I want to see this scratch out of there right off the bat. Pretty close to gone. I'll keep working at it.